आप जैसे आज के टाइम पे सर हम देख रहे हैं पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है, तो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स को आप कहाँ पे देखते हैं कि क्या इंडिया का ये फ्यूचर है, और अगर है तो इससे जैसे इलेक्ट्रिकल बैटरीज हैं इनका भी हमारा काफ़ी ई वेस्ट निकलता है, उसको कैसे मैनेज करेंगे एंड क्या इसका स्कोप है?
दो तरह की बैटरीज होती हैं, लेड एसिड बैटरीज and lithium ion batteries. All these buses, public transport for passenger services, you can operate with lead acid batteries easily and they can be recycled, they are economically and produced in India. You don't have to import anything. As far as your mobile is concerned, because of the size, you have got no other option except to use lithium ion, but that quantity is much less compared to the weight, size and cost for the electric buses. Similarly for the cars, there are options. You can use lead acid batteries or lithium ion. Lead acid batteries can be used for short journeys like within city. And if the buses are made, cars are made according to the requirement. You see, currently the mistake they are doing is that cars are designed for 160 km/h speed. But can you operate cars at this speed? No. So if you design it at 60 km or 50 km, which is the normal requirement, then you can use less batteries, smaller engine. Similarly for buses, when I say the weight of the passenger is much less, the weight of the electrical is much less than the IC engine, you can easily use lead acid batteries even if though they are a bit heavier. Yes.
और ईवी जो है सर, एक चार्जिंग का बहुत बड़ा एक इशू रहता है, क्या ये इंडिया का फ्यूचर रहेगा?
Charging is another misunderstanding. Normal practice is to charge at night. And you see, again there is a error. The battery voltage is designed according to the American standard where the domestic voltage is 110. So they are using 72 volts. We are a big customer. We can tell the suppliers that we can use 110 volt, 150 volt batteries. Then you can use cheaper charger. You can use it at night. Secondly, when you are going on a long drive, there is no other option except to use a small low power generator. It is much more economical than installing charger on the way, because if you charge your batteries for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or half an hour, you are spoiling costly batteries. So that should be considered as out of question. So this charger is nothing but a commercial venture of the supplier.
सर क्या कहेंगे लिथियम को लेकर? एक कॉस्टिंग में एक हाई इजाफा है, क्या भविष्य में ये कॉस्ट कम होगी?
Chances are less, because the material cost itself is very expensive. Nickel, cobalt, there is no option. But for passenger vehicle, lead acid batteries are the right option. Even in UK, the entire transport system long time back was based on lead acid batteries. I saw a bus was designed on a 16-ton chassis with lead acid batteries. Why can't we use lead acid batteries for passenger buses? And for the long drive goods vehicle, trucks carrying goods vehicle, Gadkari ji has widened the roads. They can draw wire from the overhead wire, like in railways, called traction wires. No problem. Your requirement of light batteries like lithium ion is only, you can reduce it to a large extent. Use lead acid battery wherever possible, and it is possible in more than 60% of the cases.